regarding the question of ownership, which is something that a lot of our customers ask, because we're, building, typically we're working with our customers' most valuable data, and typically, we're really kind of pushing the envelope and doing cutting edge work for them. So they're like, the question is, who owns the IP? Who owns what? And the way that we answer this question is really simple. In our platform, the Matrix platform, each project has its own kind of encapsulated module, and it's got everything inside of it is everything unique to your project, right? So all of the data that comes from you is in that project, including the transformations to get that data into our system, including any transformations of that data. So when we go through and build ground truth that helps us train and validate algorithms, we might be doing that on behalf of you, or your folks might be doing it, but it will kind of manifest itself inside of that project module. And then any modeling that we do. So if we are doing analyses, or if we're building like deployed models, the code that actually gets configured and used by your system, is all the configuration of those models, the applications of those models to your data, the data itself, plus any derived assets. So we don't take any of our customers' data and go kind of mission match it and try to do something with some other third party. All of our customers' data is unique to them. It stays with them. It's owned by them, including the derived assets from them. And our platform, in our platform, and we of course retain ownership over our platform. And in our platform, it's like everything we need to do to be able to build stuff for other customers. So we have a lot of generic SDKs that let us build models, that let us tailor. For example, we've got generic document text parsers that let us take text, configure it, and then pull out sentiment, do sentence level classifications on that. And then and be able to leverage kind of maybe a taxonomical knowledge structures, either from an ontology standpoint or from a kind of tagging standpoint. All of that, the generic stuff, is in our platform and kind of ready to go. The parts that's unique to you might be your ontology for your data, or or your annotation taxonomy, like the annotations you want for your data. That stuff is is all going to be in your project module and owned by you, which you can take at any point.